Alright, time to build your Mamba display. You're going to love how easy it is to set up. Let's get started. Lay all the pieces out like so. Step 1. You'll start by building the frame by attaching the aluminum tubes. You'll know which ones to connect by matching the stickers on the tubes. You'll need to depress the button in order to insert one tube into the other. Continue putting the tubes together. Now attach these bars. Once these bars have been attached, attach this part of the frame. These tubes will be the top and bottom of the frame. Attach them like so. Lay the frame on the ground like this. Step 2. Locate your dye sublimation printed stretch graphic and unzip. The pillowcase style graphic easily slides over the top of the frame. Start to pull the graphic over. Stand the frame up and continue to pull the graphic down. Adjust the graphic so that the seams are on the sides and the graphic is centered. When the graphic is near the bottom, lay the display on its back. Pull the graphic to the bottom and zip closed. Now you can stand the display up. And there you have it. Your display is complete.